Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you're tired of getting calls or notifications while playing Mobile Legends, then enabling Do Not Disturb mode will let you focus on your matches without interruptions. First of all, launch open Mobile Legends game on your device and make sure that you're inside the lobby. From your lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu where you need to click on privacy on the left corner. Under privacy settings, find Do Not Disturb. Tap on the on button right next to it, and once you turn that on, you'll be able to enable Do Not Disturb. Now, when Do Not Disturb is enabled, in-game notifications are blocked, friend requests and chat messages won't disturb your match. Calls or mobile notifications may still come unless your phone's system Do Not Disturb is on. So that is how you can easily enable Do Not Disturb mode in Mobile Legends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.